The Indian Ocean, the third largest of Earth's oceans, covers approximately 20% of the Earth's surface water. It is bordered to the north by the Indian subcontinent, to the west by East Africa, to the east by the Indo-Chinese Peninsula, the Sunda Islands, and Australia, and to the south by the Southern Ocean, Antarctica. The Indian Ocean has irregular ocean currents and is estimated to be 10,000 kilometers wide south of the African and Australian coasts. Its area is 73,556,000 square kilometers, including the Red Sea and the Arabian Gulf. The ocean's volume is estimated at 292,131,000 cubic kilometers. It contains numerous small islands scattered along its continental margins. The largest island in the ocean is Madagascar, the fourth largest island in the world. Réunion Island, the Comore Islands, the Seychelles, the Maldives, Mauritius, and Sri Lanka, with the Indonesian archipelago forming the eastern boundary of the Indian Ocean, are all located on the continental shelf. The tectonic plates of Africa, India, and Antarctica meet at the Rodriguez Triple Point in the Indian Ocean. These connections are formed by mid-ocean ridges, creating an inverted Y shape, while the continental shelf near Mumbai, India, blocks movement southward. The eastern, western, and southern basins are further divided into smaller basins by ridges. The continental ocean slopes are narrow, averaging 200 kilometers in width, except for the west coast of Australia, which exceeds 1,000 kilometers. The average depth of the ocean is 3,890 meters, with the deepest point reaching 7,258 meters in the Java Trench. North of 50 degrees south latitude, marine sediments cover 86% of the main basin, of which more than half are globigerinousous. The remaining 14% consists of sandy deposits, with glacial deposits dominating at the southernmost latitudes. Most of the narrowest waterways are found in the Indian Ocean, such as the Bab el-Mandeb Strait, the Strait of Hormuz, the Lombok Strait, the Strait of Malacca, and the Palk Strait. Seas include the Gulf of Aden, the Andaman Sea, the Arabic Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Great Australian Bight, the Laccadive Sea, the Gulf of Mannar, the Mozambique Channel, the Gulf of Oman, the Arabian Gulf, the Red Sea, and other tributaries, such as the artificial connection to the Mediterranean Sea via the Suez Canal, which is accessible via the Red Sea. The climate north of the equator is influenced by monsoons, with strong northeasterly winds blowing from April to October, and southwesterly winds prevailing from May to October. In the Arabian Sea, stormy monsoons bring rain to the Indian subcontinent. In the southern hemisphere, winds are generally more moderate, and summer storms near Mauritius can be severe. When the monsoon winds change, cyclones form, often striking the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. The Indian Ocean is considered the warmest waters in the world. As the smallest of the major oceans, it contains scattered active highlands, which form part of the mid-ocean ridge system found worldwide. Carlsberg Highlands, Southwest Indian Highlands, Southeast Indian Highlands, and Central Indian Highlands. The 90-degree East Highlands, extending from north to south of the 90-degree East Meridian, divide the Indian Ocean into eastern and western halves. There is also a submerged mountain range that runs roughly north to south between the Maldives and the Chagos Archipelago. The Kerguelen Plateau, a small submerged continent of volcanic origin in the southern Indian Ocean, and the Mascarene Plateau, 2,000 kilometers long, lie beneath the sea east of Madagascar. The Indian Ocean secures the maritime routes connecting the Middle East, Africa, and East Asia with Europe and America. It is a busy waterway for the transport of oil and its derivatives from the oil fields of the Arabian Gulf and Indonesia, with tankers from these regions traversing its waters. Vast hydrocarbon reserves have been discovered off the coasts of Saudi Arabia, Iran, India, and Western Australia. It is estimated that offshore oil production in the Indian Ocean accounts for 40% of global production. The sands of its beaches are rich in heavy minerals, and these minerals have been exploited by the countries bordering the ocean, particularly India, South Africa, Indonesia, and Thailand. The high temperatures of the Indian Ocean limit the production of plankton, except along the northern shores and in some scattered areas. Therefore, marine life in the Indian Ocean is limited, and fishing is restricted to specific areas and at limited levels. Despite this, it remains an important resource for the littoral states. In addition, the Indian Ocean sees fishing expeditions from Russia, Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan searching for shrimp and tuna. Endangered marine animals include dugongs, seals, turtles, and whales. And oil pollution threatens the Arabian Sea, the Arabian Gulf, and the Red Sea. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell icon to receive all the latest updates.